Hey, thanks for visiting us this Friday morning at ArklateXHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Morses with your forecast update. Starting out pretty nice this morning. Most of us do have temperatures in the mid-50s here. We do have a cold front making its way into the northern Arklatex here, and you can see that on the wind map as the blue arrow is indicating the north wind north of I-30 there, and the south wind still in place across much of Texas, Arkansas, and Louisiana this morning. And that front is going to cause us some headaches as far as the forecast here for the next few days, as we are going to see a pretty significant spread in temperatures. As far as the winds today, yesterday downright windy. We did have wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour, and today winds expected to be maybe in that 10 to 15 mile per hour range. So a little bit of a breeze, but it won't be as windy as it was yesterday. You see visibility just fine in most locations. There's a lot of dew out there because of the south wind, so I wouldn't be surprised if there is just a little bit of fog that sets up closer to sunrise, especially in those low-lying areas that may be protected from the wind out there. Seeing the same showers up along that front just north of the Arklatex this morning, and we'll keep about a 10% chance of rain going today. There will be a few raindrops, I would say Texarkana and any point northward, but as far as measurable rain today, it's not going to be too much. You see that cold front making its way in, so theme today will continue to be those mostly cloudy conditions for us, and we will see a little bit of rain, I think, north of Interstate 30, but there are your temperature map for today, and you can see if you're in Shreveport, mid-70s today, Marshall, mid-70s. You head a little bit further to the north, we'll be in the 50s in Idabel and DeQueen, and Texarkana settling in the mid-60s. I'll tell you what, that front will probably settle in somewhere close to Texarkana, so if the front fails to make it to Texarkana, maybe a little bit warmer, perhaps upper 60s there, and if it moves through Texarkana, I wouldn't be surprised if maybe your temperature is closer to 60 degrees, so that's what's going to cause the forecast headache as we go through the weekend, as that front will just kind of roll back and forth across the Arklatex like a rolling pin here, creating those big temperature ranges even on Saturday and Sunday as well. So Futurecast, you notice a few pop-up showers there, mainly north of Interstate 20 as we go through the day today. Otherwise, remaining mostly cloudy. There will be some sunshine that pops through at times. Notice tonight, this takes us to about 6 o'clock. The wind arrows have turned blue in Shreveport, which does show that cold front will move through here tonight. And tomorrow morning, we should see the cooler air making its way into all locations. Your temperatures will be a little bit cooler for most of the region as we go through the day on Saturday, as highs will be in the 50s and low 60s here. Notice the red arrows will show back up on the map as we move through the weekend here, as that front will kind of lift back north as a warm front. So we'll all be a little bit warmer on Sunday, and you see that slight rain chance both Saturday and Sunday. And then the blue arrows show up once again on the map on Sunday as that front kind of makes its way through as a cold front again. So that's kind of that way things will be as we go through the weekend here. Again, slight rain chances if you have outdoor plans. Saturday, Sunday will be just fine. You see most of this rain that will occur next week, Monday, Tuesday, and even into Wednesday and Thursday. So it's looking like a rainy and cool pattern next week. So those 1 to 2 inch amounts that you see here, most of this will fall after Monday night across the region. 7-day forecast will show you a big cool down as we move into next week. Again, this weekend, Saturday temperatures, just plan on it being in the 50s. A cool day Saturday, a little bit warmer for most of us on Sundays. We'll be back into the upper 60s, and then big cool down Monday, Tuesday, and that will continue Wednesday, Thursday of next week. Decent rain chances for us Tuesday, Wednesday, and at least into next Thursday.